Everyone, thank you for tuning in. Guess what time it is? It's Christmas in July, and this is the perfect timing for me to unbox my new King of Christmas Christmas tree. So shouts out to King of Christmas for sending me this 8-foot warm white. It's a flock tree, and it's the Prince flock tree. 8 foot, and I'm going to go ahead and open the box. So I have the box open. So inside the box, it has the directions on how to put the tree together. And it has the base here. Let's see what this is here. So this is super cute. These are gloves to use when you're fluffing your tree. Because as you know, sometimes you can get stuck by the branches on the tree. So these are some gloves that was provided in the box to prevent you from getting stretched while putting up your tree. So I'm going to go ahead and put my base up over here. I have the base up. I'm hoping the tree is going to fit in this corner. If not, I'll have to find somewhere else to put it. The tree comes in A, B, and C, 3 pieces, and this is A. So then I also noticed that it has, the power cord is down here, and it has the type of power cord that you could like step on to cut it off and on. So that's one of the unique parts about the tree. So yeah, so I'm just pulling that down so I won't have to now tighten this up pretty tight. So then I have section B, and just so you know, it has these little connectors that you connect each section of the tree, a male and a female connector. So I've gotten part A and part B connected, so now I need to add part C. So I have the tree put up, all pieces, and I need to fluff it out. But let me turn my camera the other way so you can get one full view of this tree. So yeah, so here it is. It's an 8-foot tree, and I think my ceilings are 9 feet, I think. So let me fluff it out. Okay, so I'm almost done fluffing, and I just want to show you it's not very much fall off from the tree as I expected with so much flocking going on. So everything so far so good. So these are the modes of the light: power on, slow motion, fast, flash, slow flash, and 30% of the power. That's awesome. Okay, so I finally have the tree fluffed out. I really like it. I can tell you those gloves saved my fingers and my hands. It was really nice to have those gloves to fluff the tree. So I'm liking the tree, and it's super cute. And let me turn the lights on. Okay, turn the lights on. Help him, Latrell. You gotta press, there you go. Oh, I need to connect the one at the top. So I have the lights on. All the lights are working just fine. The tree is fluffed out. I probably can fluff it out just a tad bit more. Now I can tell you that King of Christmas have all their trees like 40 to 60% off right now. And then you can get additional 10% off if you use the code Homebody with Felisa. I have the link below to King of Christmas. I'll try to place the link below to this exact tree that I have if I can. But other than that, you can actually click on the King of Christmas link to check out the King of Christmas trees. So I hope that this video inspired someone to grab that King of Christmas tree for Christmas in July. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.